जीवन में काम ऐसा करो कि नाम हो जाए, कदम ऐसे चलो कि निशान हो जाए। जीवन तो सब जीते, पर जीवन आप ऐसे जियो कि मिसाल हो जाए। अ वेरी वार्म गुड मॉर्निंग टू रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल sir, all dear teachers and all dear juniors. First of all, without taking much of your time, as ma'am already introduced us, so I just want to thank to the deepest corner of my heart to Shrikanwartara family, principal sir, all the teachers and my parents. It is because CUET requires the 12th concepts very clearly, and I feel 12th played a very important role in my journey of CUET, because as he said, time was very less. So, and because of that, I have scored 100 percentile in economics and 100 percentile in business studies. So that's why I feel school indirectly once again played a very important role. Thank you so much.